Hi, this is Carrie Dalton Hull here again from Apsley, Ontario, Canada, and today I want to tell you about the Zooko Ad Network, which is launching on April 1st and will be the best RevShare program online in 2016 and forever going forward. There are so many reasons why this is the best RevShare out there. You just have to check this out. Payment processor and payment issues solved. Our owner transparent. You'll see him on Hangouts 3 times a week, giving us updates. And online, he's accessible, folks. We have a great leadership, and if you have trouble recruiting, not a problem either. Because you know what? That's one of the other things that is so powerful about this. We have the Zooko Ad Network has the best, I think the only built-in affiliate program for for a for a RevShare. Am I a little bit excited? Just a wee bit, eh? And I mean, the most powerful affiliate program and the best payment plan that you've ever seen. And you know what else? It's not a Ponzi scheme. And I hate to say that word, but you know, we have to be honest here. And RevShares, they have issues with the fact that, you know, if only the people that are viewing the ads are the people that are members and that are on the site and they're getting paid more for their ad packs maturing than what they paid, eventually there's going to be issues. But we have advertising outside of the Zooko Ad Network. We have a whole blog network, plus other businesses that have nothing to do with RevShares or with Zooko Ad Network are going to be advertising on this site. And you know what else? We all work together. As you can see, I live way out in the woods, and for years I worked online and felt really isolated. And one of the best things about Zooko Ad Network is that we are one link, one family. We all work together. So I work with a huge team of people. I'm making so many great friends, and I'm no longer alone. So that's what I was talking about with the, if you can't recruit, we've got that covered too. So you can learn all about that from the One Link family group. But whatever, I just implore you to check out Zooko Ad Network, because this is the best RevShare program online that you have ever seen. And we are killing it. We're launching on April 1st, and we are going to just totally take over this entire industry. So you want to be in now. Pre-register now, and you'll get 2 months of free advertising. There's so many other benefits. I could go on and on, but I'm going to shut up now. Just go and check it out. ZookoAdNetwork.com. You're going to love this, and you've got to get in now before the launch on April 1st. Carrie Hall, take care. God bless. Have a great day. See you on the team.